tell you, after Ajit Pawar, now two BJP leaders, Ashok Chavan and Pankaja Munde, have rejected Yogi Adityanath's "Batenge to Katenge" slogan. Now, BJP MP and former Maharashtra CM Ashok Chavan has disapproved the slogan, saying that it lacks appropriateness and relevance. He further called it not in good taste as he opposed the slogan given by the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. Let's also tell you another BJP leader, that is Pankaja Munde, also rejected the remark and rather called for party leaders to focus on development. All right, so that is the latest. Of course, remember, after that particular comment that was made in Maharashtra in terms of the fact that the UPCM was, of course, campaigning, considering the fact that Maharashtra will go into vote on November 20th, but the decision will be made actually a week from now. That would be on the 23rd. But that particular statement hasn't gone down too well, considering that sparked a lot of questions about whether that is everybody's stance. Moreover, now with the fact that reactions are coming in as far as Yogi Adityanath's statement is concerned, this is clearly a row over batenge to katenge. But having said that, let's also tell you, while the Maha battle in Maharashtra is right around the corner, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge exuded confidence in a mega victory for the Maha Vikas Aghadi. Speaking to my colleague, the Congress chief stated that the MVA is assured a victory in the state. Why does he think so? Let's listen in. All right, we'll try getting my colleague also to tell us more as far as that is concerned. But this is, we're given to understand, an exclusive where Mallikarjun Kharge has exuded confidence as far as the battle in Maharashtra is concerned. Remember, the Mahayuti and MVA gear up for the Mahabharat. Listen in to that reaction with my colleague Shweta.
तो मैसेज यही है
कि हम जीतने वाले हैं, इसीलिए
जनरल सेंटिमेंट लोगों का आपने क्या पिकअप
तो
किया?
हमारे तरफ है, महा विकास आघाड़ी के तरफ है
जी।
हम जीतने वाले हैं, यहाँ हमारी सरकार आएगी।
Of course, the reaction that we just heard, where Shweta Verma, my colleague, tried to get that reaction. But my colleague Shweta, I believe, has now joined me live. Shweta, very good morning to you, given the fact that, in the run-up to the polls, you're, of course, trying to get us those exclusives as well. On one hand, of course, in that reaction, Mallikarjun Kharge seems very confident of the win, that only time is going to tell 1 week from now. But more importantly, there are two things that have just happened here. With the fact that how we were just telling our viewers, in terms of the comment made by Yogi Adityanath, seems like that hasn't gone down too well with the kind of reactions that has come in from Ashok Chavan as well as Pankaja Munde. So politically speaking, of course, there might be a sense of not being on the same line. And at the same time, if you could tell us in the run-up to the polls what Kharge has said. But first, importantly, in terms of that political controversy that has sparked in the state of Maharashtra.
Oh, well, that's right. In fact, there is no sense of alignment when it comes to Mahayuti allies. When we speak about NCP, first, Ajit Pawar had distanced himself from Batenge to Katenge statement. And now we see from BJP itself, there are two prominent leaders from Ashok Chavan to Pankaja Munde. Even they have distanced themselves from UPCM Yogi Adityanath's very important statement that has come in the poll-bound state of Maharashtra. Firstly, we understand that Ashok Chavan, he very categorically stated that it holds no relevance here in the state, and also it is not good in taste. If we just speak about Pankaja Munde, she also focused on the fact that this is differing from her politics. So clearly we are seeing the prominent faces from Mahayuti itself, they are not aligning with the statement, and of course the kind of discomfort is also being seen around. Wherein on the other hand, we also find there are many BJP leaders alongside many Shinde leaders in Mahayuti, those who are finding resonance in the statement which is given by Mr. Yogi Adityanath. Moreover, if we just see, opposition has already criticized what the lines which have said "ek hai to safe hai, cutenge to batenge," these kind of statements. But here, more shockingly and more interestingly, we understand that the leaders from the same ally have distanced themselves. Remember, when it comes to Ashok Chavan also, while interacting to media, he also stated that it holds no relevance in the state. While we remember, Ajit Pawar also stated in a similar manner, referring to the UP CM during a few days back. He stated that people from outside, from other states, they in fact come here, but people of Maharashtra, they do not they do not find resonance in such kind of statements. So clearly we see just few days left for the assembly polls, but again there have been several statements, several campaignings and public rallies going around. It is only time which is going to tell how both the allies are going to actually perform.